Hello everyone, welcome to Enjoy Learning. Today we will learn how to develop ideas and turn them into full sentences step by step. By the end of this session, you will be able to confidently express your thoughts in English without hesitation. So let's get started. Step 1. Start with simple sentences. To speak confidently, you don't need lengthy words, big words, or lengthy sentences. Start simple. For example, if you want to talk about your daily routine, you can say, I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to school, or I go to work. Keep your sentences short but connected. So, how to connect it? 2. Develop ideas with the 5W and 1H method. Now that we know how to make basic sentences from the previous sessions, let's learn how to add more details using the 5W and 1H method. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Example, let's talk about a weekend activity. Who? I. What? Went to the beach. When? Last Sunday. Where? Marina Beach. Why? To relax. How? By car. Now put it all together. Last Sunday, I went to Marina Beach by car to relax and enjoy. See how a simple idea becomes a detailed and interesting sentence? Step 3. Use transition words to connect ideas. To make your speech sound natural, use transition words like first, then, after that, finally for describing a sequence. You can use however, therefore, also, in addition, for explaining or adding ideas. Let's see some examples. First, I went to shopping. Then I had lunch with my friends. Finally, we watched a movie. Now, try using these transition words in your daily conversations. It will help you express yourself more clearly. Step 4. Practice with real-life topics. Now, let's practice with common topics. Talking about your hobbies. How can you say that? Let's try. I love reading books, especially fiction. In my free time, I also enjoy cooking. Now describe your favorite place. My favorite place is the beach because it's calm and relaxing. I go there often to unwind or relax and watch the sunset. Now share your future plan. I'm planning to improve my English by practicing every day and speaking with my friends. Keep practicing these kinds of topics and your speaking skills will improve quickly. That's it for today's session. I hope you found this lesson useful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enjoy Learning for more lessons on English grammar, speaking skills and many more. Take care and keep practicing. Bye-bye.